Would you like to buy a washer and dryer?
Oh, what do you mean a washer and dryer? These are washers and dryers.
That's what this is. A washer and a dryer.
Harvey, how come you didn't let me know about the tire? I done ran over something, Tim. You gotta.
Tell me how to fix that
get
tire.
this off. I know y'all get this off. Y'all know how to get this stuff off. Yeah. I want the tire fixed.
Hey, give me a hand with this, BJ.
How you gonna do it, Eric? Ain't no air compressor.
I'm gonna show you. Let's pop this over.
What kind of air compressor do?
Let me show you little secret that I know. That's pretty handy how you do that.
Yes, sir. All right. Give me a hand with this, BG. Good job. Y'all gonna use the...
How much you want for this refrigerator?
Well, if you get that tire loaded up for me, you just give me what you want. I'm gonna see how you get an air put my tire with an air compressor from a refrigerator. I ain't never seen that before. I'm from Ohio and I ain't never experienced that before in my life. And I'm from Ohio, you know. We very have a lot of stuff there. I don't know how you go to
You're right, they did cut the line.
They cut it, yeah.
They already cut it. Hey, I'm gonna need a pair of pliers.
How you gonna blow the tire up though? I'm from a refrigerator. Okay.
Let me show you something. This is a little great thing that we got here.
I mean, you see that? You ain't experienced that yourself, have you? You 60 what? You 60 what? 63 years old? You ain't never seen that.
36. When you get that shit.
Well, turn it around, you're 63. Now you watch this though. What he gonna do? I ain't never seen a spot like it. And I'd have been all over the country. I ain't never experienced this. I ain't never heard of it.
This is air compressor. It's already been cut, so it's ready to go.
Oh man, no.
So let me show you how you straight wire a compressor. There's 3 prongs on here.
Oh,
you got your hot, you got your common, and you got your start. Now, all you need to do, put your hot on your hot, neutral on your neutral. Can I get an extension cord real quick?
And see, that's why I bring everything to him, because he can. Hey, Harvey, Tim can.
Hey, grab that old air compressor line for me.
He can't fix. There's no washing, no drying that he cannot fix. Look what he's doing. Blowing my tire from the air compressor from the refrigerator. Now you know this man know his stuff. You know he bad, don't you?
I need a
That's
flat
why I
hand.
come to you, Tim, all the time, man. That's why ain't nothing I bring up here he cannot fix.
Let's see.
I got a flat hand right here, Tim.
You got a flat hand?
Yeah, man. You never cease to amaze me, man. Everything that you never cease to amaze me.
Give me 1 second. We need a
Stop it.
we need a hose clamp. It's really basic.
Can you read what he's doing now? Look, he's so shocked he can't even talk. Look at him. Look at this man. He's
It's
so
really,
shocked
basic.
he can't talk. Look at him. Hey, now don't have no heart attack on us now. It's all right. He's gonna blow it up. Don't worry about nothing. Don't have no heart attack. He can't move. He can't move. He can't talk. He's talking. Look at him. He got his mouth shut. Looking like trying to see what Tim. I believe in Tim, man. Now don't you worry about it. It's all right.
You know my name
You
ain't
know
Tim.
what he's doing. I know your name ain't Tim, but you still Tim the nigga.
You call me whatever you want.
I cannot get it right. So I don't say T, I say Tim. And I got permission to call him Tim. Hey,
Yes, sir,
you
you
see I
do.
call him Tim, right? That's why you be laughing at. But Tim did a damn good, I mean, a good
Okay,
job.
take a look at this here.
Look at that.
Now, I don't recommend that you do this at home.
Oh, I ain't gonna
But,
never try it. 'Cause you scared me now, but you ain't got me scared because I believe in you. But
We're logged in. We're live. All you need to do is jump start. You got a start switch, and you jump your start, which is this one, to the hot.
to the hot,
To the hot. That little spark. Feel it.
I hear it too.
Feel it.
Tim, you
This
never
side
seen
is your suction. This is your suction. And this side here is pushing. Inside of this is a motor with a little piston. And it's basically an air compressor. So you can actually
I never knew that.
coming out here.
Get out the.
Yeah, it's just a rat's nest.
Oh man, he wants you to blow him up too, Tim. When you cut his
But Tim going with me and then what's up, I'm gonna be right here. I'm gonna go by myself.
Now, every now and again, you may wake up in the morning time and you might have a flat tire. But if you had a flat tire this morning and you needed to get to work and get to do whatever you're doing, and you had an old refrigerator in the back, you could turn that refrigerator into an air compressor in order to pump up your tire in order to get to work. And if your refrigerator in your house is, you know, if it's that time to get a new one, go inside, cut the compressor. No, don't cut the compressor.
Yeah, I will too, put my tire down. Yes, he will. And I'll bring it right over here to you and let you fix it or have it. Or you fix it up for the next one. Look at what he's doing. You guys, y'all got a smart, intelligent boss. I know all y'all smart too, because he ain't hiring nobody that's not smart as him. So all y'all doing a good job too. I enjoy y'all all the time. And you over there with them glasses on, man. I want them. Hey, look at I want to keep them on until he blow my tire. I want to see blow. I want to be blindfolded. I want to. Oh, he's doing it. He's doing it. Look at there. Look at there, man.
There it goes.
He's doing it. There you go, Tim. You never cease to amaze me, man. You never cease to amaze me. There's nothing when it comes to stuff. However, he is good.
I've never seen it.
Yeah, you ain't never seen it, have you?
You know my name ain't Tim.
Oh, man. Oh, you still Tim to me, Tim. I call you Tim. Man, this is great, man. Thank you so much, man.
I got you.
Damn, thank you. Now I think I'm gonna let you have that.
We like the sponsor.
Think I'm
You show me something like, yeah, you're prepared to have me worried about
I
that.
tell you what,
Time
give me that
down.
refrigerator, I'll give you this air compressor right here.
Let me have it. I might need it for future reference.
That's all you need.
Man, I might need for future reference. This has made my day.
Hey, you notice how quiet it is though?
Yeah, that's
Have you ever heard a regular air compressor, how loud that
The
is?
other one is real loud.
You can't even hear this one running.
I never would have fathomed that, man.
Just wait till I tell my wife and daughter how I got my tire loaded. They're not gonna believe me.
Wait till I tell somebody.
Hey, thanks, y'all. Appreciate it, man.
Hey, we trying to help people, baby.
I
Spread the
know it.
word.
I see, man. I am. I'm always do that.
Spread the word. We're
I'm
trying to
always
help
do that.
people out.
That's why I always give you cards out and everything. 'Cause you know what you're doing.
Yes,
And
sir.
you got good staff too, and y'all take care.
Thank you.
Love y'all, man.
We love you.
All right, y'all take care now.
We love
I
you,
might be
baby.
back. I might be back in a few minutes. I'm gonna find some more water.
Go hustle them up.
And refrigerators.
Go hustle them up.
Yeah,
We waiting
all right.
on you.
All right, I'm on my way back.
See you.
All right. Bye-bye.